What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a cute illustration of Agnes from Despicable Me. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, so we'll start from the very top. Let's work our way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left of each eye, coming in and then back out. And it'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now from here we'll draw the outside edge of the eyelid. Let's start from the top, we'll bend this around the eye, come down, and then in towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right, extending this out, come down, and then in. Now I'm just going to add a few small lashes along the outside. Starting from the top, just going to angle this up and out. Just add two more going out towards the side. And I'll move in towards the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose with a curve, coming down and up. Let's step up and draw another curve going up and down. Now directly underneath the nose, let's add a curve. From the left side, bend this down, and then up. Then on the ends, we'll add a small bracket. Now remove out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Let's line up at the top of the eye all the way over toward the left. Just going to bend out the cheek. Come down and in just underneath the mouth, go across, bend that up, and then in. Now we want to connect the ends with a curve going above the eyes and then back down. We're going to add a couple notches on the way. We're going to go up, add that notch, go in close to the center, add another one. Now I want to bend this down. I'm just going to add one more on the right side. And then directly above the eyes, we're going to add a small curve for the eyebrow, going up and then down. Let's close off the bangs. Starting from this point, bend this out, go up and in across the middle, come down on the right side, and then bend that in. Let's add some hair coming down the side. Starting back on the left, going out, around, and then in. And we'll just taper that back up in behind the side of the head. Now I want to draw on the top of the hair. Let's start back on the left, going out, go around towards the top, go across, down, and then in. Now on the side, we're going to add in the ears. Just bend this up, come around and in, just close off the ear in between. Do the same thing on the right, and then along the top we're going to add a small fold. Let's go to the top center and add that band. Starting on the left, go up, across, and then down. And now we're going to add that hair. Let's start over on the left, bend this out and then up, taper that down. That's going to brush the hair over towards the right, going up and across, come down. Going to add a couple more. We'll add a small one to close off the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, spin the body going out and then down towards the hip, go to the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's move to the center of that curve, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. And then we want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up. Now I want to draw on the top of the foot. On the left side, we're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And I'll just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. And then we'll go back up to the hips and bend the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then along the bottom of the legs, we're going to fold up the pant. We're going to come down on the side, on top of the foot, and up. Step up, and draw the top of that fold. Now we're going to go all the way back up towards the top of the body and add those straps. On the left, bend this out, and then down. Flatten off the bottoms. Now on the inside along the bottom of the strap, add a circle for the button. In between the buttons, draw a straight line going across. Now along the side of the body, we're going to draw in the arms. Let's start on the left, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrists. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb. And then we'll close off the thumb with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We'll start from the bottom of the thumb. We want to come down and then bend that up around that bracket. Let's move over towards the side, add the second finger, going out and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to bend this out, blend this into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's draw on the sleeve. For the top of the arm, bend this out and then up. And we'll add some stripes across the sleeve. Starting from the bottom, we'll step up and just work our way up towards the top of the arm. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add a couple lines going across the center. And then we'll add that pocket in the center of the body, starting with a straight line going across the top. Close off the bottom with a half circle. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Agnes from Despicable Me. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.